I'm Paul Groh, a provisionally licensed lawyer with the law offices of Daniel Hunt. We've had lots of clients asking us about Proposition 19. In order to understand the new changes under Prop 19, we first need to understand property tax. Property tax is a tax levied by the county assessor's office to the owner of real property. Your property tax basis is 1% of the purchase price. So if you purchase a home for $500,000, your property tax basis is $5,000 per year. There are three main ways for property tax rates to increase. Number 1. Property taxes can be increased by the county to adjust for inflation every year. California Proposition 13, passed in 1978, limited these increases to no more than 2% a year. 2. If you add improvements, property tax is reassessed as of the date of the construction's completion. 3. When a piece of real estate changes hands due to the sale, gifting, or death of the owner, the county generally reassesses and increases the property tax. However, there are exclusions to this general procedure. Here are the types of transfers commonly excluded from property tax reassessment and the resulting higher property tax bill. Spouses transferring either separate or community property to each other, including when one spouse dies. Parent to child, grandparent to grandchild, seniors over 55 who are buying a home. Now, let's talk about how Proposition 19 changes these property transfer exclusions. Prop 19 was a ballot measure that California voters approved in November 2020. Prop 19 creates county revenue by limiting parent-to-child transfers and dedicates that revenue to wildfire relief. Here's the good news. If you're ever the victim of a wildfire, starting on April 21st, 2021, Prop 19 expands the group of homeowners who qualify for a transfer of their taxable value of their current home to the new property. Currently, homeowners must be over the age of 55 or disabled in order to be able to move to a new home while keeping the same taxable value as their former residence. Now, wildfire victims may be able to enjoy this benefit too. The old rules stated that the new home had to be in the same county as their old home, and the value of the new home had to be equal to or less than that of their new one. Under the new rules, you can move to any county in California. The value of the new home can be greater than the previous one as long as the increase in value is added to the transferred taxable value of the old home. Now let's talk about the main concern you may have when it comes to Proposition 19 and your estate plan. Starting February 16, 2021, parent-to-child and grandparent-to-grandchild transfers will have a more limited exemption. Here are key points to know. Transfers to children or grandchildren that will be used as vacation rentals or investment property will be reassessed for property tax. Exclusions still apply for children, grandchildren who will use the home as a primary residence, up to an increased value of $1 million. If the property being transferred has increased more than $1 million in value, a partial reassessment will occur. The $1 million threshold amount will be adjusted for inflation. If you are concerned about your family members inheriting a property that will likely not be their principal residence, or if their property is an expensive home worth over $1 million, you may wish to consult an experienced estate planner to discuss the ramifications of Proposition 19 and find the best solution for your circumstances. One possible solution could be a transfer of the property to a child or grandchild prior to February 16, 2021. The disadvantage here is that you'll lose your step-up in basis for capital gains tax purposes. Also, if you remain living in the house, the new property owner will need to charge you rent. Another option could be to create an irrevocable trust and transfer your real property into it. This would preserve your step-up in basis for capital gains tax benefits, but entails a loss of control. Your chosen trustee would have complete control over any assets you place in the irrevocable trust. There are plenty of pros and cons to weigh when it comes to finding the best solution for your situation. If you have questions or concerns about how Proposition 19 will affect your estate plan, please give us a call.
We hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like more information on estate planning or our law firm, you can check us out on Facebook, Twitter, or our website that are listed below. If you'd like to contact us, you can do so at 916-488-9788 or at our email info@dhtrustlaw.com. Thanks.